Running reports is one of the most powerful things you can do in QuickBooks to see how your business is performing. The profit and loss statement gives you an insight into your business income and expenses over a period of time. Select Reports. Then run the profit and loss statement. The profit and loss statement shows you how much money your business made and spent over the displayed period of time. At the top of the profit and loss statement, you can see your business's income displayed right here. It is divided in different income accounts, so you can see your general revenue streams. Right here, you will also see your cost of sales. These are usually the production costs for goods that you sold or the services that you charged your customers for. And then towards the bottom of the profit and loss report are your expenses. These are expenses for the general maintenance of your business, such as advertising, insurance, rent, and utilities. The profit and loss statement allows you to see your gross profit, which is nothing but your total income minus your cost of sales, and then minus your expenses from your gross profit to display your net earnings. This figure is your profit or loss over the selected period of time. You can customize your profit and loss statement to suit your needs by changing the report period, accounting method, filters, or any other fields that you see here. Once you've finished, select Run Report to generate a statement with your customized settings. Further, you can save the customizations you just made. Select Save Customization, enter a custom report name, update other fields as required, then select Save. Now you know how to customize your profit and loss statement. Now, let's take a look at the balance sheet, which displays more details regarding your business liabilities and equity. You can also see details of your business assets in there. The balance sheet can be accessed by going to Reports and then Balance Sheet. Scroll down to the bottom of the balance sheet to the Equity section. Here, under Net Income, you can see the exact same number that was displayed on the profit and loss statement before. So, the end result of the profit and loss statement is also displayed on the balance sheet as the net income or profit of a business. It is used to calculate the growth in what the business is worth. Use the profit and loss statement to measure the basic profitability of your business. Now, you can run your profit and loss statement.